Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with inkandinspirations.com. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And in this video we're going to be making a card with the Jar of Flowers stamp set, some of the Flowers for Everywhere Designer Series paper, and these great Memories and More Flowers for Everywhere cards and envelopes. And this one is in one of our new ink colors, Bumblebee. So I've already prepared the image and I've stamped the sunflowers and the stems and colored those with Stampin' Blends. So let's go ahead and start putting this together. And in doing this, I wanted to step up the card just a little bit and make it a little bit more dimensional. So I'm going to show you how I did that. And this bundle here, this suite of products is so pretty. And I'm just cut this piece of paper 4x6 from the Flowers for Everywhere Designer Series paper. And then as you can see, I've used the yellows, and this is Daffodil Delight Combo Stampin' Blends, alcohol markers, and then I've used the Poppy Parade. And so I've decided to use that as my accent color, but instead of just putting it square on the card, I'm going to angle these a little bit, just like this, okay? So let me go ahead and put this layer down, and I'll have all the measurements on my blog for this, and you'll find the link in the description of the video. And if you're on my blog, you can find them in the post. And so I'm just going to kind of angle that just a little bit like that for some fun, okay? So now, I love that, but I wanted to make the flowers more dimensional. So what I did is I stamped the sunflowers, that bunch of flowers again, okay? And then I colored just the sunflowers out of that. And you can see I've cut around the shape, but this time, to take it a little step further, I'm gonna cut out around each individual flower. And this does not take long at all. And it makes your card have some dimension and just makes it extra special, I think. So I'm cutting around the sunflower petals, and then I'm going to show you how we're just going to put them and place them over the previously stamped and colored sunflowers. And so I'm going to take these and show you that they're going to fit on there just like a puzzle, okay? So that's going to go there, and this one's going to fit in right here. So let's go ahead and put this one first. I'm using one of our regular size Stampin' Dimensionals. I'm just going to pop that up like that. And then take this one, and you just need one, and it'll do the work for you. There you go. And now one more. Okay, so there we have that. And look at the difference now. You see how it's raised and has some dimension? It just looks like a group of flowers, a bouquet, rather than just one-dimensional. And then to finish this off, I have some of the coordinating Flowers for Everywhere ribbon from the ribbon combo pack. I've tied it in a bow, and I'm just going to tack it just like that. And what I'm going to do with this card is wait until I decide how I'm going to use it and send it, and put the sentiment on it right here later. You can see here's one that I finished, and I stamped Sending Prayers right here below the bouquet. Okay, I hope you will give that a try. Try just layering your images, especially when you're working with flowers or bouquets, and see how that will work for you. If you have any questions, let me know. Visit my website at inkandinspirations.com, and you can find the links there to shop, and I appreciate it. Take care. Bye-bye.